Hello, I'm doing so I got some just a GoPro. Just a GoPro. Inspiring from a good time as I take good year because I couldn't try things. I was stuck in that, so I went to get something like I could. Thanks, correct, thanks. Good. Alright, a couple. So this thing could be done like 20 cranks. So I can't train can 16 fucking train doing. Right? So I could get the ranks, I could get like probably like 10 ranks. But they'll get like so I'm not trying to get those with the rain. This is excited. See what to do. So this guy's got this kind because I was like the training show. And like GoPro 5 it's like that, so I don't know if I right juggling that right. But I got like 15 guns or tanks, so I got recurring. I'm not going anywhere like this other game of recurrings. We got like get the ranks, fit tanks. You get like so I'm gonna do. I guess gonna take. Cooking inside. Like so. Because of the thing track, it's tank. Oh shit, doesn't can upgrade stickers. Ranks. I got farther, so it's like I guess look at like use sync again. Go down. I probably get like one of those things. That's good for strings. I got like rents. Big thing. I got the GoPro itself. Okay. So let's undo the sync. So update. Alright. Rings. I don't know how to get those rings. Yeah, I think I can get that there. I don't. Those, you do have a good screen. This kind of site, I can have a kind of site. You can screen, you do get a good screen. Kind of cool for going super long. I really think I can go like this side here. To get like green. I think this is gonna get going. It's gonna carry actually up again. And do get right. Take the screens, get in into the carry. This is something gonna have in 5. I think that what I need to like, I think I can swing it on that way and so get excellent. So I check. So I think it's around. So it's like a red cat. Interesting. So it's like a red cat and a red soundtrack. Go. I'm wrong. But so what was the different yet? So there you go. Okay. So things like comparing axon. So considering interesting comparing is comparing. So just like I don't think so. No, it doesn't do that. I can just get green. There we go. This is, I think, a Jones green. I can't think it did get green next percent or green. Alright, I don't know what was like sounding. I'm going strong. I think I was wrong still kind. sometimes it goes up the brain. Okay, so I still think could be like something. Alright, so that would be something I got to do. Cause I can't have to cover and GoPro. Everything's okay, that's kind of everything's. So I gotta get to like on GoPro. I think that's good doing. So this is gonna go down everything. I can't get things going right, so that's screen got ranks. I think that's fine. You can get like the random count, which comes like you can have like so like a thing. I don't think that's fine, so I'm trying to do right. If I try, I think I can try that like experience. I'm gonna try that. I think it right. So I think I do have to again to this lecture right to like a regular kind of top kind. Exact, but this is like things like if I have like you're gonna things you could probably like do right. It's gonna get ranks. It's like so I was gonna get an extra count, but I was having put a having a grant, so I can take get to what I can't do it, but anyway, let's go again. So that's going after I think see hit the story link. I can get to the program to be and get thanks. So I don't think so. I can't take I can get it to Canada. It really gets Canada. I probably have to say I think from Frank's against so I was probably gonna try see what's going and yes, I think probably looks so.